Millions of drivers have absolutely no idea about these hidden tricks built into their cars. But here's the shocking part. One of these secret tricks can literally save you from a $1,500 mistake. And chances are, you're ignoring features that could prevent serious damage every single day. Here are 10 mind-blowing car tricks you probably don't know about. Let's begin. Secret number 10. Defrost your windshield twice as fast. Picture this. You're already running late. Your windshield is completely fogged up and you're just sitting there watching the clock while the heat slowly does nothing. Most drivers crank the heat higher and wait, but here's what they don't tell you. Your AC system isn't just for cooling. It removes moisture from the air, and that moisture is exactly what's causing the fog. There's usually an AC button right on your climate panel. Turn it on while the heat is running. Now the heat warms the glass, and the AC removes humidity. Result? Your windshield clears in almost half the time. Here's the kicker. Most modern cars already do this automatically when you press defrost, but if yours doesn't, just turn on AC manually, and this works in rain, humidity, and winter. Secret number 9. Start your car with a dead key. Fob-imagine this. You press the start button. Nothing happens. Your key fob battery is dead. You think you're stuck, but you're not. Most push-start cars have a hidden backup system. Take your key fob and press it directly against the start button. Then, press the brake and start the car. Here's why it works. Your car has a passive RFID reader that detects the chip inside the key, even without battery power. The signal doesn't need the battery at close range. This trick takes 3 seconds and saves you from a completely ruined day. Secret number 8. Auto-fold mirrors on lock parking in tight spaces is risky, but many cars can protect themselves automatically. When you lock your car, your mirrors can fold inward automatically. This prevents damage from passing cars on shopping carts tight parking. Most cars have this feature, but it's usually turned off by default. You can enable it in your settings menu. And once it's on, every time you lock your car, mirrors fold unlock, mirrors open. This alone can save you $300 to $800 in repairs. Secret number 7. Hidden coat hook. You throw your clothes in the back seat and they get wrinkled instantly. But there's a better way. Look above your rear doors, at the grab handle. There's often a hidden fold-out hook built right into it. Flip it down. Hang your clothes cleanly. No wrinkles, no mess. Most people never notice it, even after years of driving. Secret number 6. Open your trunk from the driver's seat. You come home with groceries, hands full. Now you have to walk around to open the trunk, but you didn't need to. Most cars have a trunk release button inside the cabin. Check. Driver's side panel under dashboard center console. Press it before getting out. Trunk opens instantly. Some cars even have hands-free kick sensors under the bumper. This saves time every single day. If you're learning something new so far, hit like and subscribe. Most people watch but forget, and it really helps the channel grow. Alright, let's keep going. Secret number 5. Auto-dimming rear view. Mirror driving at night. Headlights are blinding, but your mirror may already fix this automatically. Look for a small green light on your mirror. If it's there, you have auto-dimming technology. It uses sensors to detect glare and darkens the mirror instantly. Here's the mistake most people make. They tilt the mirror manually, which actually disables the system. Leave it in position and let it work. Secret number 4. Recirculation button. Your AC feels weak, but you're probably using it wrong. Press the recirculation button. Now your car stops pulling hot air from outside and cools the air already inside. Result: faster cooling. Bonus: blocks pollution, reduces fumes, keeps air cleaner, but turn it off in winter, or your windows will fog up. Secret number 3. Adjustable headrest angle. Your neck hurts on long drives? Your headrest might be the problem. Most people don't know. It's adjustable forward and backward, not just up and down. Adjust it so it supports the back of your head properly. This reduces fatigue, improves comfort helps prevent whiplash in accidents. Secret number 2. Floor mat anchor hooks. Your floor mat slides forward. Seems harmless, right? Wrong. It can block your pedals, which is extremely dangerous. Your car already has anchor hooks on the floor. Attach your mat properly, and it will never move again. This takes 10 seconds and can prevent serious accidents. Secret number 1. Diagnose your car with your phone. Your check engine light comes on. Most people panic and go to a mechanic, but you don't have to. Every car has a diagnostic port, OBD2, under the dashboard. Plug in a small Bluetooth scanner, connect your phone, and instantly read error codes, understand the problem. Know if it's serious. These scanners cost under $20. Mechanics charge $50, $100 for the same scan. Sometimes the issue is just a loose gas cap. You can even clear the code yourself. This one trick alone can save you hundreds every year. If this video helped you, even a little, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We've got more hidden car tricks coming. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to discover even more hidden features that could save you money, check out the next video.